Alright, all you have to do is create the cuboid 10 by 10 by 10. The fillets on the top are 1 inch. That's these fillets here along the top. That's a 1 inch fillet. The 4 vertical fillets are 2 inches. Simple cuboid 10 by 10 by 10. Fillet on the top is 1 inch, 2 inches on the vertical. I'll go ahead and demo this in case you're not getting it, or maybe you'll see an error here, wondering why you get the error. So let's take a look at this. I have turned off my sketch viewing plane from going perpendicular. So I'm going to pick this plane and go to sketch. I'm going to create a rectangle starting at 0 and 0. I can click here. I should be able to type 0, tab 0 to represent the starting point. And then I could just go tab, tab. I'm going to tab over here for width. I put my cursor about where I want it. And then I'll just go 10, tab, 10, enter. It's automatically dimensioned. I'm all done. It's green, exit out. Let's create the pad. The pad's going to be 10 inches long. Only thing is, I forgot to turn on the tree and make the part body active. So I've got my sketch and my pad in there, and let's go ahead and put the fillet. We'll go to Define, Fillet, grab the top, type in a 1 inch radius. Seems all fine and dandy right now. Let's try and put in the vertical fillets. And we'll hit preview. Oh, that's going to be 2 inches. So I'll go 2 and hit preview. Select OK. I want you to make a picture of this error. Create the error, make a snapshot of this picture, and define what's going on. Okay? You might want to think of it in the same order as I was machining this. Earlier I talked about this getting warnings and stuff. A lot of people have problems when it comes to filleting. You start asking it to do a whole bunch of stuff and it just seems to weird out. I'll select close. This fillet actually looks better than it used to. Not look very good at all, but this fillet doesn't look so horrible. But that error message is something you don't want to ignore. It's telling you basically, hey, you should have created the vertical or largest fillets first. So the rule of thumb when making multiple radius fillets on a part, you want to create the largest fillets first versus the smallest fillets. So largest fillets or vertical fillets first, then create your smaller fillets. And I bet you'll have a lot better chance. I'll show you. I'm going to undo the fillets I've done. And I'll do it in the reverse order. These are 2 inches. So I'm going to get all the vertical ones done first because they were the 2 inch ones. I'm doing the biggest ones first. And it also happened to be the vertical ones. And then go to fillet and grab the top surface. And we go 1 inch. And look, no warning. Okay, so again, if you do the smallest ones first, you're going to get the error. I do this, do 1 inch radius, come in and do my vertical fillets, like so. Select OK. Oh, shoot. I wonder what's going to happen now. I'm going to change that to 2 inches. I want you to make a picture of this part with this warning. Describe why I got the warning and what is the fix. Again, make a picture of the warning. Okay, I want to see the part and the warning in it. I would show the tree as well. You know what you should do? Actually, now I'm thinking about expand the tree so I can see the tree. I can see the smaller one was first and then the bigger one. And that's the problem. You should have done the bigger one first, then the smaller one. If I select OK, I got a little trick for you. Drag and drop this and drop it on top of that, and it will switch the order. You could just reorder by dragging and dropping and placing it somewhere else. Alright, if that doesn't work, you can always delete it and start over. But that is my lesson on fillet errors, what that warning is all about. Please complete that document and move on to the next demo.